Hi doctor, my name is Ayung. I'm going to present my research proposal. My research topic is cyberbullying victimization on social media and suicidal ideation among the undergraduate in Malaysia. Mediation by life satisfaction and moderation by emotional intelligence. For the purpose statement, Balakrishnan found out that Malaysia is of no exception, and a few news reports and overviews have shown that cyberbullying is developing widely and more shockingly. Malaysia is position 17 most elevated in cyberbullying among the 25 nations overview. Frayadi concluded that undergraduates in Malaysia were not safe from the negative impacts of cyberbullying, and those affected experienced the ill effects of mental stress, and unavoidably their grades deteriorate. Most of the past research were more focused on the psychological effect of cyberbullying victimization, such as psychological distress and depression among adolescents. We should take into account on some of the variables such as EI and life satisfaction in the research. For the research objective, which is to explore the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media, life satisfaction, and suicidal ideation among undergraduates in Malaysia. The secondly was to determine the mediating effect of emotional intelligence in the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media, life satisfaction, and suicidal ideation among undergraduates in Malaysia. For the research questions, what is the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media, life satisfaction, and suicidal ideation among the undergraduates in Malaysia? The secondly is what is the mediating effect of emotional intelligence in the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media, life satisfaction, and suicidal ideation among the undergraduates in Malaysia. For the hypothesis, cyberbullying victimization on social media has a direct effect on suicidal ideation among the undergraduates in Malaysia. Life satisfaction would mediate the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media and suicidal ideation among undergraduates in Malaysia. Emotional intelligence would moderate the association between cyberbullying victimization on social media and suicidal ideation among undergraduates in Malaysia. And last is emotional intelligence would moderate the mediator effect of life satisfaction in the association of cyberbullying victimization on social media and suicidal ideation among undergraduates in Malaysia. For the literature review, this literature review explores cyberbullying research areas such as cyberbullying victimization on social media, cyberbullying leads to suicidality, suicidal ideation, and suicidal attempt. EI served as a protector of cyberbullying victimization, and life satisfaction mediated the relationship between cyberbullying victimization and suicidal ideation among undergraduates. For the research methodology, quantitative research is being applied in this research study. The targeted sample is 400 undergraduates from Malaysia to complete the online survey questionnaire. Once the numerical data from the respondents has been collected, IPM SPSS will be used to interpret the collected data. Aside from that, primary and secondary data are utilized to complete the research. The collected data will show that the study's data are more reliable as those that have been proved by the past researcher of the author. The target population of this study is undergraduates from Malaysia. The researcher will examine the issue of cyberbullying victimization on social media, and targeted undergraduates from Malaysia to complete the online survey questionnaire. Other than that, the online survey questionnaire will be distributed online via social media and Google Docs to undergraduates of Malaysia from different races, backgrounds, cultures, age, and gender to ensure these research results can be viewed from the different point of view. The expected number of respondents that are targeted will be at least 400 undergraduates would have aged between 18 to 25 years old from all over Malaysia. This study used a convenience sampling model, which is a non-probability sampling method. The research will then upload the online survey questionnaire on social media platform to use the respondents to fill up the survey. The survey method that will be adapted in the study is online survey questionnaire. The online survey questionnaire will be distributed or uploaded to several online platforms such as Facebook and WhatsApp in order to let the undergraduates from Malaysia to take the survey. In order to ensure there are no errors collected from the online survey questionnaire, the result will be checked and those error-filled surveys such as missing of the demographic information and repetitive answers will be filled up to ensure the results are error-free. The researcher also decided to use process to compute the regression outcome.